let's pack it. Come on, baby, let's pack it.
She say she like roses, so I bought roses. Fuck with her, so I do whatever to keep her going. Told her I'm with a few of my.
I got 2 minutes on the camera. My battery about to die. Just got out of church. We had Go to Corral. Just ate. My camera dirty. I'm trying to go to Target right now. I don't know if they're gonna take me, but I gotta charge my camera again. It keeps dying. Both the batteries dead. Actually, let me put the battery on the charger right now. But yeah, I'm about to go to Target, hopefully, and get stuff from my face so I could go home. But yeah, I do this every other Sunday, something like that. But yeah, all right, battery charging. Yeah, church was cool. You know, it was a new pastor. I don't really know. Wait, old one was better for real. But I'm gonna take my hair out and all that because I look a mess, fool. Gotta give me some stuff y'all wanna see. Cause I just be making videos at this point, bro. And when I make videos, I never finish them. I gotta start finishing my videos. But I gotta get over it. I got social anxiety, bro. Like, I can't get over it. I can't vlog in front of people. It's just weird talking to myself in the camera. But yeah, I got 1 minute left. I'm about to go to Target, and I'm gonna come back when I get there when my battery charges. Alright, I just got home. Hope I'm doing this right. I just got home. I got 0 minutes, but I'm about to eat. I got McDonald's. I'm about to eat. I'm gonna let my battery charge. And when I get done eating, I'm gonna clean this room, and I'm gonna clean the room over there. But for right now, I'm about to let my battery charge. Alright, so, keep zooming in. I accidentally deleted just deleted the footage trying to clean out my other videos. But yeah, this is after, but it's supposed to be before, but I accidentally deleted it, so it's before, but it's after. But welcome to the video. Yeah, it's a little Sunday reset. You know, it is 7 o'clock. Just came back from the store, right there. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. But let me turn up. Yeah. Wait. Alright, I don't know how I'm about to do this. I'm gonna edit it weird, but I'm gonna explain it to y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. Hold up. I gotta switch tripods. Do this. But yeah, you know, I don't know how I deleted the footage. I was kind of like not paying attention. I don't know where my other tripod is. But yeah, I was kind of like not paying attention, and I deleted it. So y'all can't get on me. It's not really my fault. They're gonna blame YouTube. Alright, we're back. I put it on. So I went to Target, Kohl's, and where else did I go? In Burlington. I got stuff from all places, but it's like, it's not big stuff. It's like little stuff. But I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. First, I went to Kohl's, right? Needed some new Nike socks. So I got socks, black and white. Me personally, I think Nike socks are the best socks you could wear. Cause they're just comfortable, they dry fit. Play basketball in them, you can do whatever you want. Alright, next, I got some satin sheets. Greatest sheets of all time. If you know, you know. Alright, next, I got, oh yeah, this how they be? This how they be, hold up. How you be doing that? It's not gonna focus, wow. It's not focusing, but I got the ordinary, the high something acid, yeah. I don't know how to pronounce that. But we got that for my face. And then, see, I got this bump on my face. Well, it's not really a bump, it's a mark, you know. I used to do TikTok lives.
Bro, that's fucking, I think I know who that is. Hold on, let me look that up.
It was a crazy time. And one time I was in here, I'm just on live, bro, with my friend Aria. And I get a Galaxy. So I kind of like flipped back, but like my chair, it lifted up off the ground. You know, my chair not very stable. I don't know why, but like it flipped up off the ground. and I hit my helmet. And my helmet bust my nose, and I started crying on the live. It hurt. But yeah, this stuff right here, my sister used it. It used to be way blacker. You can't really even see it no more. But I got this for my nose. And yeah. Y'all need to go get this if y'all got any dark spots on y'all face. Clear mine for yourself. But yeah, that's all I got. Oh, and I got some pillows. Because I needed some new pillows. This not my room. This the guest room. But I got clothes in here, but it's the guest room. But yeah, I'm about to clean up. Hold on. I gotta clean both rooms. Let me show y'all. So, I gotta clean all this. This room really dirty right now. But my room, I don't think it's nothing in my room. We're gonna go to my room. I'm gonna show y'all my room. Yeah, my room not really dirty right now. It could do a little cleaning. Use a little cleaner. But yeah, I'm gonna clean both rooms, and I'm gonna make it a time lapse, and I'm gonna show y'all me cleaning both of the rooms. How is he doing that? Yeah. That's really it. I'm gonna come back when I'm done cleaning. Well, first I'm about to take these clothes off. But yeah, I'm gonna make a time lapse. Y'all gonna see me. I might see me in some gray sweatpants. It might be gray. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm done cleaning.
Oh my God, Cody. I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more. Get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Shit, stay Billy Island, turn any given time. Personal pockets, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' be serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide, I tried to tell him lay low. See, don't like the driver, he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house for
at every single event, but if you're serious about your game,
Alright. That is room 1 complete. Let me show y'all. You know, I came up here. Oh, can't get copyrighted. Wait. Alright, there, can't get copyrighted. But, clean all that. Cool little room. That's trash, gotta throw that away. Yeah. Got all my stuff down there organized. Put all my shoes back in the boxes. All that, all my hoodies. I don't know, I might come back and make these in order by brand. But I can't even see. But yeah, I might come back and put these in order by brand. The door came off, I gotta get it fixed. And I'm probably put my jeans and all that by brand. But yeah, that's it for this room. Little cause carpet. I can give y'all a room tour when I'm done too. But yeah, that's room 1. And now we gotta do room 2. Let me show y'all room 2. Alright. This is room 2. Not that bad. Turn the light on. But yeah. You know, I did all this last night, but yeah. I'm about to do this room. And I'll see y'all when I'm done. Oh, I don't even know where to set the camera out of here. Alright, let me figure that out real quick.
After he call me very but for the Christmas I bought everybody lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop 5,000 money. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run from my collars, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right or left. How you talk like the guy ain't no key in there. Just pull up till they block and get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in the prison. Trying to 50 flying, bitch, you mellow. Come on, put the game into his temple. The color spit the flavor to the temple. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a tip. Oh, you getting up? I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag.
And we on the crisp fuck. She said she my op, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can.
Still gotta do the closets. That's gonna take longer. Closets, but I don't know if I can clean the closet right now. Yeah, I'll probably clean the mirrors. See, the mirrors a little dirty. Yeah, I'm too done. Calm. Gotta take that downstairs. Gotta throw that in the trash. Gotta put that in the closet. Calm. Put this in. Yeah, put this in dirty clothes real quick. Alright, we're back and I'm about to take my hair out, but first I'm about to find something to watch. So, what a Netflix. Alright, I'm about to watch Brooklyn 9 something, I think that's what it's called. I gotta put y'all on real quick. Hold up, it's called Brooklyn 99. Hold up, look at that. Go watch that. That's the best show on Netflix right now. I watch it before I go to sleep every day. Yeah. I'm about to take my hair out, and I'll come back when I'm done taking it out. It'll probably be like 5 minutes. I don't got a lot of my hair. But I use oil. My hairdresser gave it to me. It works. So I kept using it. Yeah. I'll come back when I'm done taking my hair out.
Nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with me. My ex looking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga.
Alright, y'all, we back. I'm out the shower. And let me move this. Hold up. There. Currently debating or if I should keep the beard or cut it. But I think I'm about to cut it. I'm about to get myself a little lined up because I got school tomorrow. Cool little lineup, nothing crazy. But yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm gonna show y'all the process. Y'all seen the last video, but I didn't give y'all a whole one. So I'm about to give y'all a whole one. And I'm gonna put it back in 2 times. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the hair. I'm gonna come back after I cut it.
Temperatures dropping.
And you know what that means.
It's cuffing season.
That time of year when we find a man to keep us warm through these cold months.
But not just any man will do.
That's right. We out here looking for some.
Alright, we back. have a great name. I don't know yet. Yeah. First thing we use is cortisone. This, I don't know what it does, but it works. Maybe, yeah, we're gonna use this. Shit sting a little bit because I just cut my hair. Use this. Rub it around your face. It got dry. Try it in. Yeah, it's dry. Then you put this on your face. It's the dark spot stuff I told you about. I don't know why my camera won't focus. Let me see. Nah, it won't zoom in. Yeah. This stuff next. Take the top off. And put on your face. Wherever your dark spots are. And then rub it in. Tips and one lead. Alright, after that. Yeah, I don't know why I thought I had a rash on my face, bro. Alright, rub that in. Then I'm gonna show you. You gotta get Aquaphor too. Aquaphor is needed. Hold up. EOS. Alright, camera gotta focus for this one. Hold up. EOS. It's the strawberry one. Still can't see it for real. And this, my aunt told me, my grandma told me to get this actually. I don't know why it won't focus. The battery's in the charger. Yeah, it's the finished product of the room. I'm trying to give me a sign to go right there. That's gonna look sweet. Yeah, you can take the bonnet off. I got silk. Yeah, the camera about to die, so oh, it's hot. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Let me know what y'all want to see. You know, let me know what content y'all want to see, and that's really it. See y'all in the next video. Let's go.
Hey, Soprano, we back at it again, bro. What the fuck? Man, stop that car, we on that.